Today we're gonna make a giant fidget spinner made out of foam. So let's get started. The things you will need will be pool noodles.
Pool noodles, so yummy.
A stick. This is a plunger stick. You can get them at my favorite place, 99-cent store.
Yeah.
You need foam plates. I already made a hole, but foam plate. Then you will need a hot glue gun to glue your foam plate. Some scissors to cut your foam noodles.
Yeah, we got
a hot glue gun stick and your pen to mark the circle in the foam plate. What you want to do is glue 3 plates together. It's gonna be 6 plates in total. 3 plates together, and on the other side 3 plates together again. Stick our stick in the middle, like so. Now that I got my plates glued together, we're gonna use our foam to cut to the desired length. We got all our noodles cut. What you want to do is cut little slits so you can be able to put it over the plate and glue it.
Wait, let's put it back to me. No, I have a blue
Like that.
What factory do you have?
This is the end result of this bad boy. Now we're gonna test it. Junior, hold it from the other end.
Yeah,
Yeah, then spin it.
Wait, go this catcher.
Just spin it once.
She said once.
It spins for a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I know. Here, I'll catch it. Come on, trick.
Now Chloe, try it.
Spin it. Toss it.
Do you guys think that's a good stress reliever?
Yeah, I think so. Because you can also squish it when you're feeling like very stressed out. You can squish the pool noodles. Guys, try the pool noodles. They're really squishy. Oh God! I broke my gum.
What a fail.
Frisbee!
She's laughing.
Ruby! Guys, that's a little munchkin right there. Ruby!
You like the frisbee?
Push me! Dance!